Welcome to our channel. Today we how to spot Coinbase withdrawal text scams. Stay safe online step by step clearly. Start by recognizing that scammers often use urgency. Claiming your Coinbase account is at risk unless you act immediately. Look for messages saying withdrawal pending or withdrawal approved when you did not initiate any withdrawal. Check the sender carefully because scam texts often come from random numbers or suspicious short codes. Be cautious if the text contains spelling mistakes, awkward phrasing, or unusual formatting that a real company would not use. Never trust links in the text, especially shortened URLs or domains that look slightly different from Coinbase.com. Confirm the real website by typing Coinbase.com directly into your browser instead of clicking anything in the message. Remember that Coinbase will not ask for your password, 2FA codes, or recovery phrase through SMS. Treat any request for your seed phrase as an immediate scam because no legitimate support agent needs it. Do not call phone numbers included in the text because scammers use fake support lines to steal access. If the message tells you to verify your account, verify only inside the official Coinbase app or website you open yourself. Check your Coinbase account activity by logging in normally and reviewing withdrawals, devices, and recent logins. Enable two-factor authentication with an authenticator app rather than SMS to reduce SIM swap risk. Turn on withdrawal allow listing if available so withdrawals can go only to approved addresses. Use a strong, unique password for Coinbase and never reuse the same password on other websites. Watch for social engineering where the scammer pretends to be Coinbase support and pressures you to share codes. Know that scammers may spoof names like Coinbase in the sender field even if the number is not official. If you receive a code you did not request, do not share it, because it may be a login attempt by a scammer. Take a screenshot of the text and note the sender details in case you need to report it. Report the scam message through your phone's report junk or spam reporting feature when available. Forward the message to your mobile carrier's spam reporting number if your carrier supports it. Delete the message after reporting so you do not accidentally click it later. Check your email security too, because scammers often combine SMS with phishing emails for the same account. Review your device for malware if you clicked a link, and run a reputable security scan immediately. If you entered any credentials on a suspicious page, change your Coinbase password right away from a clean device. Revoke suspicious sessions and devices from your Coinbase security settings if you see anything unfamiliar. Contact Coinbase support only through the official help center inside the app or on Coinbase.com. Tell friends or family who use crypto about the exact wording of the scam so they can recognize it faster. Stay calm and slow down every time a message tries to rush you, because urgency is the scammer's main tool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.